This is Project Andromeda, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Project Andromeda is painted in full gloss, edible berries colour with black accents all round. Andromeda sits on 20-inch Cairn Mondial retro wheels with Nitto Grappler all-season tyres. This 110 also features a 6-point roll cage, classic front bumper with warm winch, ECD custom steering guard in black, and 4 LED round spotlights up front with 2 at the rear. Inside, Andromeda features a Nardi Challenge black steering wheel with custom mole bomber gauges, 2 Corbeau RRS front and mid-row seats, with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a double vertical diamond premium Spinnyback leather, stitched together in Cerabond. Andromeda is powered by our GM 450 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as Infinity Kappa sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.